Stop wasting your hard-earned money. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the thousands of car detailing products pushed by influencers, you are not alone. The detailing industry is full of overpriced fluff and gimmicks designed to empty your wallet. But today, that ends. Welcome to AutoRift. In this video, we are cutting through the noise. We've analyzed the data, tested the gear, and narrowed it down to the only 12 essential tools you actually need and to get pro-level results. Whether you're a weekend warrior or starting a side hustle, we're talking high performance, massive value, and zero fluff. I'll leave links to every Amazon bestseller we talk about in the description below so you can upgrade your setup today. Let's get straight to the essentials. Tool number 1, the Karcher K1700 pressure washer. First rule of detailing, stop chasing insane PSI numbers. For cars, 1,700 PSI is the golden standard. You don't need a $600 gas guzzler. At around $169, this electric SATA certified Karcher delivers a consistent 1.2 gallons per minute. It has never flat wheels, a built-in detergent tank, and an auto shut-off trigger. It's reliable, safe for your clear coat, and gets the job done perfectly. Tool number 2, Tool Daily, foam cannon. Do not spend $100 on a brand name foam cannon. The Tool Daily 1-liter cannon costs under 20 bucks and has over 50,000 reviews for a reason. It hooks right up to your 1/4 inch quick connect, and with a twist of the top knob, it throws down a thick layer of snow foam that lubricates your paint and drags dirt off before you even touch the car. Plus, it comes with 5 different pressure washer nozzles. Pure value. Tool number 3, the Viking bucket insert grit trap. This is a $10 insurance policy for your paint. Never do a contact wash without one. It drops right into standard 3 to 5 gallon buckets and traps dirt and grit at the bottom. This prevents you from picking up microscopic rocks with your wash mitt and scratching your own car. Tool number 4, the Rag Company Ultra Clay Towel. Throw your traditional clay bars in the trash. If you drop a clay bar, it's ruined. This 12 by 12 microfiber clay towel gets you that glass-like smooth paint in half the time. It removes embedded contaminants, enhances gloss, and if you drop it, just rinse it off. It's the ultimate time saver before polishing. Tool numbers 5 and 6, the ultimate brush combo. You need the Detail Dudes 3-pack Boars hair brushes. For $16, you get 3 different densities. Use the soft one for piano black interior trim, the medium for cup holders, and the dense Boars hair for lug nuts and engine bays. They are metal free, meaning 0 scratches. Pair that with the Detail Factory ProGrip wheel face brush. Its soft flag tip bristles provide massive surface coverage without scratching delicate wheel finishes, while the rubberized handle keeps your hands from cramping. Tool number 7, the XFOAMR electric foam sprayer. Say goodbye to manual pumping. This 1.5 liter rechargeable beast gives you 30 minutes of continuous thick foam for your wheel cleaners or all-purpose cleaners. At around $150, it's a professional grade tool that saves your hands and speeds up your workflow drastically. Tool number 8, the Maxshine M15 Pro Dual Action Polisher. If you want that flawless mirror finish, this is your weapon. With a powerful 1000 watt motor and a 15mm long throw, it removes swirls and oxidation fast. Because it's dual action, it's 100% safe for beginners. You will not burn through your clear coat. Tool number 9, pair the polisher with the SPTA Blue T60 Moderate Cut foam pads. These 6.5-inch pads feature an innovative groove design that dissipates heat and stores excess polish. For under $20 for a 3-pack, they punch way above their weight class. Tool number 10, NextLED CRI 95 Auto Detailing Light. You can't fix what you can't see. This $40 pocket-sized rechargeable light is a game changer. It outputs a 6000 Kelvin true color beam to expose swirl marks, a floodlight mode, and even a UV light for leak detection. It's magnetic, lightweight, and absolutely essential for verifying your paint correction. Tool number 11, Maxshine Portable Car Dryer EVO-S. The best way to dry a car is to never actually touch it. Microfiber towels can still cause micro-marring. This compact handheld blower blasts water out of tight crevices, grills, and mirrors. It comes with 2 precision nozzles, ensuring a streak-free, scratch-safe finish. It's a massive upgrade for your detailing arsenal. Tool number 12, the Ego Power Plus 9-gallon cordless shop vac. We saved a powerhouse for last. Interior detailing requires serious suction, and dragging extension cords around is a nightmare. This cordless beast delivers a massive 110 cubic feet per minute of suction. It features a filter cleaning function, a drain plug, and multiple power modes including turbo. It's a premium investment, but the cordless freedom and unmatched power make it the ultimate interior cleaning machine. And there you have it, the 12 essential tools that deliver maximum results without the massive markup. You don't need a garage full of expensive brands. You just need the right tools working efficiently. Check the links in the description below to grab these Amazon bestsellers and instantly upgrade your detailing game. If this video saved you time and money, hit that like button and subscribe to Autoriff for more no-nonsense automotive guides. Keep it clean, and we'll see you in the next one.